So in our previous video, we saw how to use conditions and if statements. And we used that to write a program to tell a really funny joke. But we can also use if statements to do something when a condition is not true. Let's add some more statements to deal with different answers. Now let's add a second condition when the user of our program answers no. So if the answer is no, we want to print, okay, bye. So here we type elif, that is short for else if, and then let's type another condition like answer equals no. Let's add a colon, press enter, and now we got a new block. So here let's print okay, bye. Now if this condition is true, that means the user entered no as their answer. So that should match our elif block, and we should see this message on the terminal. Let's run our program and verify this. So there we go. If I enter no, we see this message. Now we can have as many conditions as we want. So let's add another condition. Let's add an elif, answer is equal to an empty string. Then we're going to print try again. Now in this case, if this condition is true, that means that the user did not type an answer and just pressed enter. And that's why answer is equal to an empty string, and we get this message. So finally, if the answer is anything else, let's print a message saying, please enter yes. So here we type else, then add a colon, press enter, and now we have a new block. Now, this block will get executed if none of the above conditions are true. So here we can print, please enter yes. Let's see what happens now. Now, some conditions can be more complicated than a single question, and we can combine multiple conditions using the logical operators like and or. For example, let's check if the user answered yes or just the letter Y, or if they type OK. If at least one of the conditions in this if statement is true, then the block will run. We can also use and to make sure we only run this block if all the conditions are true. We can also use not to check if the opposite of a condition is true. So if the value after not is true, then not evaluates to false. And if the value is false, then not evaluates to true. By the way, we can also add parentheses around our conditions to make them easier to read. Now, here's an exercise for you. Try creating a program that contains a secret string and ask the user to guess what the secret is. Your program should print a success message when the user guesses correctly and a different message when they don't. If you get stuck, try rewatching the examples in this video or let us know in the comments below.